Okay, so what is up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about 3 reasons why you should probably never throw out your iPhone boxes or any phone boxes in fact, and maybe even your laptop boxes. If you buy a device brand new, the wise thing to do would not be to throw out the boxes. Even if you live in a small apartment, I don't think it's wise, and here's why. The first reason that I want to pose to you is the environment, but let's assume that you don't care about global warming and the environment and anything like that, and you just want to completely skip that. Let's move to the second reason, which is actually a very selfish one, and you might actually enjoy this, and that would be resale value. If you're trying to sell a phone or a laptop or any device, honestly, and it actually comes packaged in a box and you can actually take photos of it with the box beside it and state, oh, this is in like new condition because, you know, I have the box and all the accessories and all that stuff, the device sells for a higher price. It might seem like something very irrelevant because you can actually buy these boxes for $10 to $20 online, right? But with the box for a device that actually has the correct IMEI number and everything, it basically just becomes more palatable and something that a lot of people would actually want a lot more because you seem to have taken better care of your device. And my third reason for saying you should never throw out your device boxes is going to have to be gifting. I mean, at some point, we've all done this. Maybe you want to pass your phone down to your younger one, or a cousin, or a niece, or a nephew, or you want to pass it down to somebody who previously didn't have a smartphone. Now, they might not be used to the same bells and whistles and upgrades that you require when you upgrade your phone, but just the idea of giving them a full, complete package and like, oh, this is my old phone that I no longer want, and I'm giving this to you, and just passing that along to them is actually going to make them feel a lot better about the experience of your gifting. Your gift basically tends to have more value when you give it in a form that seems complete. You know, the phone, the box, the accessories and everything. It feels like, oh, even though I'm not getting a brand new phone, I'm getting a well taken care of phone, a phone that's actually in fantastic condition, and they're going to be more appreciative of you. So I hope with these 3 points of mine, I've been able to convince you that you should absolutely ignore that tweet going around telling you to throw away your iPhone boxes. And again, this video does not only apply to iPhones, it actually applies to every phone pretty much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I guess I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace.